All right, so quick video here, just doing the charcoal canister removal here and some of these vacuum lines, some of his old EGR equipment here. So this is just quickly to show some of the vacuum hose routing here. We're going to be removing this guy, which is connected to the carb over here. I've already capped off. There's another small line coming from the top over to this other vacuum line over here. So we've removed that. And at the bottom, we have this going into the thermal switch here. So we've removed that. The bottom of that hose also runs across over to the one port on the charcoal canister. And the other end of the one-way valve here is going to be connected to the other side of the canister. So you're going to want to go ahead, remove all of these lines. Just get them out of your way. Get yourself some vacuum caps. We've capped both of those connections there. Once there, I'm going to be removing this chunk of hose here, but for now, I've just capped it there. We also have a small line on this T that runs into the top of the valve. So we've gone ahead and disconnected that, and we're going to go ahead and remove it. For the charcoal canister here, there's going to be two small bolts, one on this side, one on the other side, 10 millimeter. It's going to be just bolted down like this. I've already removed the bolt. You can see the hole there. So you go ahead and remove those, and then you basically just pull the old charcoal canister out, and there you go. Now that you've pulled this out, you're going to want to leave this to vent to air. Ideally, maybe put a little filter on the end of that so your gas tank can breathe still. Now we'll go ahead and clean up this area that hasn't seen daylight in 40 years. And we'll finish capping off this vacuum line. Slowly getting the engine bay cleaned up here. Some of the old emissions, evap stuff we don't need. Okay, so here's a look under the hood. We got the charcoal canister removed and a bunch of these vacuum hoses. We still left the thermal switch in there. We've just capped that. We got our air filter cleaner back on. So a lot less hoses going over through here. And I'm just going to order a little filter to go on the end of that little valve there, little check valve. And should be all good. I got a little bit cleaned up in there. I need to wipe it down a few more times. Maybe I can hide some of this headlight wiring a little bit better. But we're not going for a show car, but we're just trying to clean it up. Maybe eventually we'll take the engine out. So this will assist with all that in the future. So there we go, guys. Charcoal canister removal and some more of the evap hose lines. So I did manage to get my little Can-N filter back there on the valve cover. This side is still just L with an elbow. I'll have to figure something out there. But there we go.